The old people when they dey here so. When I see the old people when they here so. Orionba Edimofi dey for here. He got daughter when he do party, he dey for here. He got daughter where Edimofi go thief for a dance. He call report say Edimofi say make he go bribe he got daughter for his house. Make God talk say na lie say he not thief. He dey for here. Mumu na mumu where they call himself where they call Sagwe he dey for here. Precious make wey make like budu he dey for here. Precious make friend wey they get to follow all dance around the globe. Fa senior sister to Sandra Agbogun he dey for here. The man when he give Fa belle after 6 children where Fa dey for husband house wey they call Sarah he dey for here. The one we want to play now, my country people, if time permit us, if time not permit us, tomorrow and another day we will start from where we stop. The one we want to play now, got daughter of Edimofi, where Edimofi go dance, he go the fight. He not say videos day, where they take food. They say Edimofi thief fried rice, he thief chicken, he thief blender where they take grind tomatoes in with his okay, but this was picking. So when the news come out, they don't know say audio day where they take record them now. They go tell the goddaughter where they call Vera, share the video, let it go Vera. May come debunk am. As his goddaughter come see video where some people play. Say, then goddaughter say, you don't fit debunk this one again. You don't fit debunk this one again. Edimofi Oshise. Oh, more plan, more nag the story. More nakan, more na the year. Edimofi the house. He don't go bribe Charon before. Make Charon come debunk and say he not thief rice. When Charon come see the audio where some presenter play, the way they take the carry rice at moto, where they want to fight, grown up man like this. A grown up man like this. He don't finish for dance. He going to cause fight. May take fight spoil another person dance. Mona watch. Never. More plan. More plan. A young better we are here. A young better we are here. We're well away from it. Okay, let's go.
Things want into my account. Because me, I saw they send my account out since then. And they send my account come out. Oh yeah. Anyone will take my account, send out to me. If you don't say no fee, bring me my things. Buy them. So God, if things will not be like this, and I return, but then God, return her, madam, return her. I sent most people my account already. So they beg me, say, make I wait till more 30, they will return my money. But on Monday, I see they go. For the people, we know what truth.
Charon, he not go talk true to. Person when you just first watch and wait, Orionba when he be today. Now wait till he talk come out for maths. When they ask that question, say you not talk, now make a change to Orionba today. Now you say me can't talk truth, say it for your dance. I go take talk am. Not be he can't bribe you for his house, Sharon. He can't bribe you, make call the bunker. When you can't go see video for that boy platform. When you can't go see video for there, you can't talk, say you not fit the bunker. Not be with this so. If Edimofi not thief rice, Edimofi everywhere for the shake. Since on Saturday till now, everywhere for the shake. As I don't talk so, he go come out to me. They can say he want to shake everywhere. La oh you said oh atakara kalo tifi jam koreko. It's okay no way, but this one not do a blender very cool. Una not the shame. Una not the shame. Agbinwe about egbuya no law one agmore. Person when he take you do God daughter. Person when he take you do God daughter at the movie the house. Now you go to fight for a dance. If other people they fight, you not tell the rest people make they get up for the dance. After you do thief blender, thief rice, thief chicken, thief fried rice, thief salad. You with your wife come to form activity and come to fight. So person wey be your goddaughter, you dey cause am for outside of the party, you dey cause am for outside wey your daughter dey dance, say you no know wetin dey do, say dey dey cause your enemy, say you no know wetin dey do, dey spend money, unnecessary money, e dey spend am throway, e for give you the money, e no give you. Because of that, you come thief all the property. Where would they go? Where would they go? Sharon, go on.
I go see government to dear for the people who don't want to talk truth. I go see how they take value things, material things when not reach anything, pass to our own children. I go see them. If not therefore,
they not value their pikin. They not value the movie with is cannot value their pikin. You know, see, na government now the pikin deal with. You know, see, na government they take off this is 25 years. And the movie don't dey for Europe. Now social benefit now they feed them. You know, see, first when you don't fit train a pikin, I take follow pikin. Useless man like this, foolish man like this. You know, see how wait, you know they talk truth. You know if you can tell you saying thief rice, but where would they go?
For A party, those for B party, those who keep quiet. My party is different. Una don't go fit come shut down.
He say una first dey go party, in the follow una dey go party. I wey dey not gba ma so ma ye. Child on the first dey follow una dey go party, una first dey do am for A party, B party. If una go party, na so food una go dey thief. So can they say na blood. Lineage na e dey lineage. Lineage na e dey lineage isagi oje isagi. Isagi egbewe ni isagi ojoji wa kini. Una we do ya do Xavier we could is okay. Una can. Hell. Una do am for B party, una dey do am for una this one loud. Try to talk to us.
And nonsense and go scot free. No. So that one for that one. So I consider see another big face. Me self once sit down, make I know what happen for my party. I was surprised for Frank Victor to be playing some videos, seeing that a social media was fighting at my party. I was surprised too. So then
Percy, when you take do goddaughter, are you not ashamed of yourself? And the movie with his okay, are you people not ashamed? Percy, when you take do goddaughter, una call the fight for the party, and people come video now, go give una enemy now. Percy, when you do party, no know what they go as una take food, leave everything. All the whole video dey. You say make the woman come disgrace herself, now make her talk say you not thief. When they see when the pass on the enter inside motor. As the woman not come debunk now, you come talk say Atiti they open left for Atiti. You say they open left for Atiti, now that's why you want to take blackmail now. Say Atiti don't not be Atiti not the leak. Atiti not the leak. Oh, una no say Atiti not the leak. 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 Mogo. Mona go call Mumu Konsagwe. After we finish this record, now supposed more I take on. Supposed more I take the record come out. After we finish Ogun Bao now Tifi rice for dance. We went out after Sagwe, we'll go to Precious Bank. Mona call bloggers when they come. Mona call bloggers. I'm not even winner. And many
things when we don't know what happened for my party, when I want make I know. Make everybody calm down. I want to know what happened for my party because all through I was in the hall dancing. What things were going on? With all due respect, I see the video when you say make I come and make the bomb say penalty for my party. I say I don't hear. Later I don't.
You say bigger. Small, not let and too big. Why you the true one for truth for here? Why you the true one for truth? Because I go inside Madrid. Since now you're the haters. You put small soup, not let and too plenty I beg. Not put me to Atiti, they pay me. Not put me to where you're true when I get power. When I deal with this over with tiffy down Koriko. Ojagwe, Ojise. I tell you, I say disgrace now will follow you. I tell you, I say that disgrace will follow you. Don't play with me. If you play with me, disgrace will follow you. I tell you, Oyoba. Now dance you go, your goddaughter dance now. Your goddaughter they talking for this video now say, if you did one for A party before, if they do one for B party before, if they do one for C party before, no, but no be party. You know, she say disgrace follow you with this okay now. Una go they tell her make on the bunker. Say you not thief for your party. You know, he say you not fit the bunker. More listen.
My salary is can't pay, not the shake. Some live video, I see the video when a back country they insult me for my own party. So when I call my godfather, we don't the saga now, we don't the quarrel, we go to talk how it be. What did they vex me like be that one? Me get many things when they vex me for my body. You are my godfather as you said, yes. I have been respecting you. I don't know you for more than since 2014. But I don't know you. It's up to 10 years now. Begin with the born that time. Don't grow breast. How you walk on my party when they insult me? As I see that video, now I call on my back say, I don't know if you do that video when I say make I do. I see a part they insult me. What I do? Is there anything on ground? Let us say no, don't be because you don't fit do that kind of thing. I don't know why you will believe that kind of thing. Okay, arrest. Then you play the record, say, I don't come and the boss, say they drag you, they go. Say, you they hear, say, me, they carry my body, they show for Frank. That was the way you came. I call that manipulation. You cannot manipulate me into this saga on ground. You cannot. Why will you send me a voice record and say, since I don't come and debunk, say, they say you steal from my party, okay, now true, say, when did they talk, they don't say you, yes, say, I they open my body for Frank. Now play you record in reply, you say, those people when they talk and they go fit come they'll come and swear, say they do that kind of thing, now say, well, forget about those kind of thing. Now say, me don't go your party, they go, they drag me, they go. It has happened before in history. One man could be another thing. I go to your party, they go, they drag me. They use more than one week, they drag me. Cost my papa, cost my mama. It cost me, my marriage will end. Wish you are aware. That day, I go call your party, they drag me. I call your party, I don't do anything. You did not say anything. What? Now. You want me to come and go to live video, say, let them leave a part. Now they drag you. Now they drag you now. But see, just the same thing with history. You see, history will continue to repeat itself. If not, no. When I put that when I call your party, when they drag me. When they say I put eyelashes when white, when they drag me, most of them will remember. I was calling my godfather, saying they drag me when I call your party. You did not say anything about it. Now if history don't repeat itself, you call a party, people video you, call a show for social media. Let me do that one. Why will I come up on live video? I come and be debunking. How many of you debunk? The next year I told you to come. Make me self come. Even that I know the big people call again. Because when they don't call they see what they talk. I know the big people call. Everybody come because what you want to go do for my something when lost, he did different. No, don't let me be. I'm not going to come up and debunk anything for anybody.
Okay.
Because me what's up one noise happen for my party. And then they get the video of what happened for my party. I don't get eye for back. Because I was in the hall. They say things what happened for outside. They get video there. Let me sit down and watch. That is the
When I wait, I want to fetch up. I go analyze them. I go analyze them. I want to fetch up.
That is what a wise child will do. Now you dey play my record, my voice out. Say they don't cut out, they go. Say, see, no, please. You have issue with Frank. Handle it. They provoke person, say, person don't go fit talk. I am respecting you for Christ's sake.
When I wait, when the plan before I go eat finish. When the plan,
things what into my account. Because me, that's why they send my account out since then. And they send my account come out. Oh yeah, maybe anyone will take my account, send that to me. If you don't say no, you bring me my things, buy them. So God, if since it don't be like this, I will return. But I can't return that. Return that, madam. Return that. I sent most people my account already. So they beg me, say, make I wait till more 10 days, they will return my money. But on Monday, I see they go. For the people, we don't want to talk truth.
At the go.
I go see complete to that here. For the people, we don't want to talk truth. I will see how that they value these material things when not reach anything. Pass on our own children. I will see them. If we are going for A party, going for B party, those who keep quiet. My party is different. We are not going to figure out that nonsense and go scot free. No. So that one and for that one. So I consider see another evil face. Me self once sit down, make I know what happened for my party. I was surprised for Frank Victor to be playing some videos, seeing that a part social media was fighting at my party. I was surprised too. So there are many things when we don't know what happened for my party when I want make I know. Make everybody calm down. I want to know what happened for my party because all through I was in the hall dancing. What things were going on? Epa, with all due respect, I see the video when you say make I come and make the bomb say penalty for my party. I say I don't hear. Later as I enter that video, I see the video where Epa continue to insult me for my own party. So that I call my godfather. We don't be saga now, we don't be quarrel. We go to talk how it be. What did they vex me like be that one? Me get many things when they vex me for my body. You are my godfather as you said, yes. I have been respecting you. I don't know you for more than I think since 2014. Now I don't know you. If after 10 years now, begin with the bond that time, don't grow breast. How you will go call my party when they insult me? As I see that video, now I call on my back say, I know.
Yes, my people. Una thank you. Wakada kada. All the old people when you see me wakada kada. The one when I see you, I am me. Just say one know they chop for live video again. Now my house again. If I go party, I don't feature for live video. If I go up at the house, I don't fit do live video they eat. But for my house, I go eat. Una good evening, my people. And the more if you go the beg Sharon for back now, may come and come talk, say, may come the poker say you not thief for a party. The shame and disgrace. Shame and disgrace and the movie the house October. If you go your goddaughter party, you go the fight, you go thief rice. Not be if you want come out, your goddaughter will pass on the follow you. Hey, daddy, carry this one, carry go out. Your goddaughter they dance for a side dance. You with your wife, it's okay. Bobizwa, una the thief property, una the thief blender, rice, drink. Some of the people wey see thief many don't call now because our sister Charles say they go temple. He say your temple na for India. Na India he for go join temple. He say na money take buy ticket go India go join temple. He say make you can't talk truth. The more you can't talk truth. How many things you thief? Hey, come out for your social media, can't tell us the truth. Now be why you go to beg Sharon now make call debunk am. Sharon say you know the debunk. Sharon say you know the debunk am. Oji say Ojibole, ole.
Things what into my account. Because me, that's why they send my account out since then. And they send my account come out. Oh yeah, maybe anyone will take my account, send that to me. If you don't say no, you bring me my things, buy them. So God, if since it don't be like this, I will return, but I can't return that.
Una see Anna, this one, women wey they go dance. Women wey they go dance, we go the thief rice, the thief ororo, the thief everything. Una see the shame and disgrace. We here tie the movie body so. Godfather go dance. Do me say don't do this one. Godfather not do this one. They say if we put the person wey no reach to be Godfather for Godfather, na disgrace that they say. Sharon, you know see your Godfather can't disgrace you. Sharon out here, Vera the video, let the video go Vera. You know see your Godfather, he can't disgrace you. You go put a Dumezedo for Godfather now. Dumezedo, Godfather. You put on Godfather, make God disgrace himself. Only way that one they disgrace himself. You don't know whether you be goddaughter or Muba. Now only that place that one they disgrace himself. They say na truth. Ekiama ye, mama. Ekiama out here. Now only that one. Now only way that one they disgrace himself be that. Only way that one they disgrace himself. If that one go dance, as you see I say dance, you know they come out for where you sit down. You know they come out for where you sit down before you come out go house. If you want go ask, people pass what the follow one, they'll go put on for a boot. Sometimes go tell them, say, no, I don't need it. I'm okay. Now so that's what they do. See the stupid Ogyomba where you go. Vera the video. See the stupid Ogyomba. He called the begging for a size, may call the bunker. As you not call the bunker, I say, Atiti, they open body for Atiti. I don't know Vera for anywhere. I don't debunk my own for a size here now. Vera, I don't know you. You never open left for me once. I never licky. I never licky. I never licky. Ekite Chihuahua. Ekite Chihuahua. I not be ekite. I not be Chihuahua dog. Ekita. Imela lowo. Iwa debunk eh. Mo de go. We agbena. We'll go to dinner Friday. Later we'll go down, go finish the rest video. Hey, see shame and disgrace. See shame. Destiny background will go dance, go the thief rice for dance. Person will not reach to big Godfather. If you big Godfather, I say disgrace the follow person. If not better Godfather, and the thief rice, the thief everything so. If you see people with the thief, I go drive, they say go and return it. So tell wife. He get one big bag where they say wife carry go mama's bag. Now so they say the bag big. The high table where they sit down. Now so his wife they put drink for inside that bag. Rice, meat. They say he put poor meat for inside the bag. When you see that motor, you go pour on for a bag, he come again. Blender, where buy we want to do as she be. Blenders. If the movie Tiffan, they say blender will follow the movie go as it's more than 20. Your whole goddaughter dance. Are you not ashamed for Europe? Because you know what thing they do. You do for social benefits this 10 years. This 20 years, government now they feed you the feed your pikin. Now they feed you the feed your pikin. You know the shame. Now you come they talk to me. I know if you go down, so I go the tip bottle of drink. How much is bottle of drink? How much is bottle of drink? Women go dance, I go the tip drink. Me know they even they go dance. The last dance when I go for here, because of the person when make me go the party. Now my good friend. Where we want come on the person where they stay for hotel, almost 2 boys, 3 girls. They not eat hungry, they beat them. Now I go tell Uji la no re hotel young man dey by city ye come here. You see am na so Godfather take dey do something. You not see you now, your goddaughter dey disgrace you in public. You go there hide dey beg Vera, say me come debunk and say you not for a party. Eddie Murphy. You go there hide dey tell your goddaughter now, Vera the video, let the video go Vera. Me come talk say you not for a party. When that one come see video, where they circulate, they go for outside. You come say you not fit debunk that one. Say you not fit debunk am. You see shame and disgrace will follow you. When I will talk say disgrace and follow you, go they follow you, they go. You see money take buy gold. No, you not even they buy, they thief gold. You go wear gold for neck, go party. Timothy, you with your soccer go wear gold for neck, go party. Now go the thief rice. And Timothy, you with soccer go wear gold for neck, drive expensive car, go dance. Now go the thief rice. None of the beg shadow make on the bunker. Now the beg shadow make on disgrace. Make on the bunker say you not thief. He say you not fit do one. You won't listen to Charon. You won't listen to Charon. You won't listen. You know go to. And then you know.
Returner, madam, returner. I said most people my account already. So they beg me say, make I wait till more 10 days, they will return my money. But on Monday, I see they go. For the people, we don't want talk truth.
He no go talk truth. Now the system will be one use for you that way you can't debunk and say nothing for your dance. First way he take a match, bring cost to a generation. He take a match, bring cost to generation. He give his father-in-law disgrace. Oh, you know, back if father-in-law not disgrace today. Now we on back today. Now you say me can't talk truth. You know see where a pass come now. You know see where one blackmail you now. He say me you come out. Vera the video me can't talk say nothing for your party. As you know come out now. He can't say Atiti they leak your quickos. Atiti never know you before. I don't know you before. I never leak. I not be Chihuahua. I not be Chihuahua dog. He kita no la. He Chihuahua Vera. By mistake say we come there tomorrow. I not go. I not the do am. Iwo la wo. Oh, Godfather, it disgrace in him. Emi teme. If you collect kwa mayon, if you collect kwa we ati egume. If you collect kwa, I wait the both is okay. If you go to Europe, I do the view we hey. So no that thing ever dey mean when I work my o my go the both go. No that thing ever dey mean when ya. Or it might not even do my even well. When my wedding, if you go, I do Zevio. Oh, Baselu, all this place will all Baselu, all that me teme. Anyway, why you say Kaleko? When me, on a popo, no, I do Zevio, we could. Or come a Verani, I will not do the book, a Vera way, the book. So damn you, if you Kaleko, don't damn you. Don't tell you. Don't tell you. Ya eva giagaro boni giagia igiagia me wa usi e wa usi giagia la diane abo jise wa damio vera
I go see government to that here for the people who never talk truth. I go see how that they value things material things when not reach anything pass on our own children. I go see them. If we are going for A party, going for B party, those who have keep quiet. My party is different. We are not going to come try that nonsense and go scot free. No. So that one for that one. So I go see another people face. Me self once sit down, make I know it's happen for my party. I was surprised for Frank Victor to be playing some videos, seeing that a part social media was fighting at my party. I was surprised.
Una yera this one na tell do this ogun ba atakpara kwa no give we go tea fry for dance after e don tea fries e come dey fight wetin make am dey fight for the party one tell na wetin make am dey fight for the party we una no know one tell na wetin make am come dey fight for outside one tell una now even with the people when he thief the thing. He can say na he be social media or social media or G. He want me who play the pass their own. Those people don't agree. Those people don't agree say na lie. He want me who play the pass their own. Those people don't agree. Now if cause fight for outside. Now what it cause fight for outside be that too. If you know why they tell you now. He want me use say because he dey for social media may take and oppress those people. 27 blender. He want me carry 20, may give them 5. He said they've got all those boys dey for all those women with the day for Aduro house. They not get paper. He said if they talk, he go Tunisia. They not agree. Now only 15 blender. Now I can follow and go house. 15 blenders. Only 15 blender. Now I can follow and go house. This is we about this TV Jan Koriko. More would they plan to go? More would they listen? More would they plan to go? After we finish this one, this audio now because I dey eat just now, I make it we tell like this. After we finish this one, we enter Mumu and Mumu they call itself Osagwe. After Osagwe, we enter Precious Men. I want you to do the three together before I bring another one again. When I see cuts, I go to play 1-1 for all of them home. I go to play 1-1. Now two I want to do one.
Press 2. So there are many things when we don't know what happen for my party when I want to make I know. Make everybody calm down. I want to know what happened for my party because all through I was in the hall dancing. What things were going on? Epa, with all due respect, I see the video when you say make I come and make the box and penalty for my party. I see I don't hear. Later as I enter that video, I see.
You say me come out, make come talk say because now your daughter make come talk say you nothing for a party. He say you don't hear. You won't listen.
In the video, when a back they insult me for my own party. So when I call my godfather, we don't be saga now, we don't be quarrel. We go to talk how it be. What did they vex me? I be that one. Me get many things when they vex me for my body. You are my godfather as you said. Yes, I have been respecting you. I don't know you for more than I think since 2014. Now I don't know you. If after 10 years now, begin with the bond that time, don't grow breast. How you walk on my party when they insult me? As I see that video, now I call on my back say, I don't know if you do that video when I say make I do. I see a part they insult me, wait till I do one. Is there anything on ground? Let us say no, not be because he don't fit do that kind of thing. I feel like you will believe that kind of thing. Okay, arrest. Then you play the record, say, I don't come and go to the box, say they drag you, they go. Say, you the hear say, me they carry my body.
Ojibole, TV Jan Koriko, how are you? Che. You say me come at me, come debunk and say you nothing for the party. You go to beg am for his house, me come at me, come claim the shame come for your body. In the first case, wetin make you go thief for the party at the movie? You know, say you just say now party where they go, now they feel the thief. You fed the thief for B party. This your daughter can't disgrace you to the world. No party where they go where you not the thief. No party where they go where you not the thief. Thank God before the marriage day now, disgrace don't enter your body. Thank God say before the marriage day, disgrace don't enter your body. You know see where for thief that one. You know see where thief that one. You know see where thief for them. It is just like me wagak here.
The show for Frank. That was the way you came. I call that manipulation. You cannot manipulate me.
He said nah. He got daughter. When they could share the video, let the video go viral. I said the movie because he say the secret don't leak. Say they don't catch him for thief. In with the wife is okay. For he got daughter dance where he go. They don't catch and say thief for the dance. He can't go beg his goddaughter now. May his goddaughter come talk say, na lie say he no thief. As he got that and the waka they go for a side sugar bet, he can't see the video where Eddie Murphy, where he call his godfather, where he dey fight for his own party. He can't see him. As he can't see the video where godfather take the fight for party, now he say he want know. If person wey not go dance fit come play this video come out and the one wey dey take thief all of the day with the person. Now wey social media don come, people wey dey carry camera for inside dance wey una no know wey dey work follow presenters, they are too much. I dey all dey tell una the secret make una dey maintain una self if una go dance. People who not know where the work follow presenters, lovers of presenters. If they jam you for dance, they're ready to carry camera, follow you to go to that toilet. Make sure say they go give her to their lovers. Make their lover take disgrace you. Some of their lovers, person wey do party no know say they fight, and the more you fight for party now, he no know say they fight for party. But he can surprise saying they see video where the motive they fight for outside, and they take thief for dance. And if you come across the bunker, you see say the video where they take thief some people for side boots, it go come out. It will come out. So your liver is be so. Ojize, Oje blender, Oji, where we boy again. You can't go to the bed and make on the bunker. Debunk your boy.
This saga on ground. You cannot. Why will you send me a voice record that say, since I don't come and come debunk, say they say you steal from my party. Okay, now you say what did they talk? They don't say you yes say I dey open my body for Frank. Now play you record is reply you say. Those people when they talk and they go fit come to see, they come and come see swear. See how they do that kind of thing. Now say well, forget about those kind.
Epa domo. Domo. Igwe man na gije na ba. Ege okwa na tie vera no region ni. No ye di mo fi ogun ba ya zera. O di mo fi ba ji ko eje so de ona adulize, ona du zevio, ona du blender vio, ona du anyo vio. Ona be da agbe na bi ba yen ma we ege na gije na a presenters ni am lovers. No monitor ma be cool. Una ariku we a lovers of many no we men. No na beg o le me ko ya. All my camera le we as we toilet o ma we a lover we wan so re ikuni. We no ya do serve yo. We no ya agbe na bi bai. E di mo fi na do ya yin owo ko na che vera no do debunk no do ta we ma ra. Owo ko na magidota ona do mo re bai we egi wo wodo e be san vera be na hin vera ni o Benjamin oni o be na hin one pretty black beauty no o we idian na dey by temple in ya gbele evi ya kwa o we ere temple video. But me where setting when I give you do me. But a disgrace no waroni. A disgrace no roni. Now to me where the movie. He went time why not with disgrace I like me. Or this election. Me time where baba. E pe aragbon. Eyan ori an yo bo iyan ro social benefit for January to December. What's the agbo ina fiyan? Emi a certificate na pay for 1 month emi la dian. A life is done, baba. A life is done. Everywhere. Metie wa no pun esi, metie uji no sa desi, itia bati nesi, itie dada masisi. Metie ya kian ni adoga pote wonudo. Ya ge wi je me se ga jogo. Amero wi. Oji atakwala kwa rugi oji esagi oji yan egbe yan ni egbe soke esagi oji yan ena we ti we pa paniketi ma ya no we adi iye jo pa ke ni ma ti ni tama iti ola koko ekwe ma je mwefo ola koketi ti e we ra ya Joseph yo biku ekwe ma je mwefo ite be TMT me se o ma ri mwefo o ma mwefo me ma even me tamo la koko no ma imwe fu me wona ozo no wo kan na ebi ya make na fu gbere ye ebi tamo mata me se ko la koko ko o ma ya zo e na ladian o dobo wo ko me arari owa agwa mi o saro onian agwo saro hospital wo kan ya agwe ko wo yi ama wo la koko no ga agwa be di ko wo kan na wonu eyan bu man yo e no see baba adoti eriokin ya di baba eriokin ya di iwe disgrace iwe no see ola koko yi mu phone me na ola koko yi mu phone me e ma e data mu la koko o dobo ho deti ya wo ko ni yero baba da we oni explain ma we di ya wo ko ni giro ni ya di ya wo ko ni giro na even when me tie we na baba mujani gu wegun even when me tie ola koko we ni kama we ra edimofi e vera odoka mi ma we edimofi yara wo wu ni edo debunk e vera we debunk e ga ati e ba ma mu fun me ola koko mu me ma wo mu me ba osioma o kama wa koma gua ni ya ta we ovi chifila ola gwe wo ogwa bedi ko wu kan ogwa bedi o ri palo o fi omo okay where's the papa ni explain e phone ni explain e phone ya papa eyan ni explain ide okay ide ni explain e phone ma we baba budia na me eyan we chifu kin o chifu kin okay na so ni ola koko no ro na so ni ra gina okay where's the papa okay iyon le baba la waya bove igiswe ni ra gina waya bove e ba te we mi down o ri mo we o ola koko ri mo we dete davi obohi baba davio obohi zewo boni hi o ehi obokuta na egbewe na egbopa ibege ewe ege no to ya veladian agbomakan agbobe yin enenia ize zigbe wo the ticket no ya zo no wukan igboma izo na do kamula koko we na ma de ti yan wo ko ni giro wapa ni yan separate na ahun yan iro wapa awotu la koko o wa bedi o kan aru wa di by faith ebo agba mu o kan ga ebo agaru won wo kan efeti ayobo fifi kwa yeke oyobo fifi kwa ibo yeke do kamula koko no ma mo fo me na baba ime also ewanyola no we no see ni na time nania we no see na time nania we no see na time nana ni na time agbon nu la koko ogari Nigeria we no fi o kan no ri o kan le gbe ni opari Nigeria na do miwe o wa ki awupo oride awa no we wobo ogbe ela we do ya go magbon baba eni me do tanania ema baba dem na matter efeti that we only tema ni tema efeti efeti we ga to stay ma we ga gun e matter ni kila jango nu moti ni agun wo gwa ni matter ni la jango isafo we mosi me agun ye wo gwa ọmọ dànù ríta lígi wà hàn wọn àgbọn orísan èdè àfìlàdìàn bàbá ẹ tẹ́wọ́n ní tiẹ̀ rẹ̀ náà ní ká máa o ọmọ ọmọ fún rẹ̀ ọmọ rẹ̀ èèyàn bàbá bọ́ ìtì ìrànà mi kó bẹ́ẹ̀ náà èèyàn nẹ̀ ìtì ìrànà mi kó bẹ́ẹ̀ náà o ìtìrànà mi kò bẹ́ẹ̀ náà o bàbá ọmọ ìmẹ̀sùwàyí bàbá wà láì fídíò wà gẹ́mẹ̀ ìgbàdókè dé ọwọ́ kòkó náà ọmọ òkè ọ̀kẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ pẹ̀ wà láì fídíò ìgbàdókè ọwọ́ kòkó náà wọ̀gbọ̀n òṣì ọba jẹ́wò náà gba owó.
Things want into my account. Because me, that's why they send my account out since then. And they send my account come out. Oh yeah, anyone will take my account, send out to me. Because they don't keep bringing my things. So God, since it don't be like this, I will return. But return her, madam, return her. I sent most people my account already. So they beg me, say, make I wait till Monday, they will return my money. But on Monday, I see they go. For the people, we never talk truth.
If last time you say me can't talk truth. Person way if he talk, waiting you no go talk. It is there, deny. Now right now you say me can't talk truth. If as he tell you say me can't debunker, you not call debunker. So he say me they lick your kwekus. He say me the lalu kwekus way. Me know you before for any destination when I call the lick your kwekus. Me don't go Germany once. We go call the talk like that lick your kwekus. Where would they go?
I go see government to that here for the people who don't talk truth. I go see how that they value things, material things when don't reach anything. Pass on our own children. I go see them. If we not do it for A party, do it for B party, those ones keep quiet. My party is different. We don't know if you come try that nonsense and go scot-free. No.
You see your daughter now. Because now what you know they do for party. You see una do for B party, una do for A party, una do for C party. So any dance wanna go at the move, now so una go the thief rice. You see una know if you can't do one for your own party.
So that one for that one. So I consider see another big face. Me self once sit down, make I know what happen for my party. I was surprised for Frank Victor to be playing some videos, seeing that a social media was fighting at my party.
Hey.
I was surprised too.
Your own goddaughter, you go a party, you go the fights. So people of the world, as they get agents for women presenters, and they just secure my people. I dey secure my people because I'm a nice person. As they get agents for presenters, agents, all those lovers wey say they love them, they are agents. As they get them for man, and so they get them for woman. Wey wan come carry una nakedness, go give them. Make they come take disgrace una. Anything una dey do, if una go outside, my people of the world, una dey be careful. These evil people for society. Now where they want to wear people disgrace, una know before saying now, we say Edimo fight for party. Una know. But people when they record down, go give their people when they say they love, they come and come out. Sharon, goddaughter of Edimo come surprise say the video where you see and where Edimo they fight for your party in the for side dance. What you make at the fight for side for party? The people when they get a padre come out. The one you say because they do social media make things suppress it, they say they not go agree. They say they not go agree. They must share everything equal. Now me they go to fight for outside. And the one wey pay me pass because they even the cost person wey you carry food, carry a drink, you dey swear lala for am. We know say na money take buy all those drink blender wey you wan carry go house, you dey swear lala for am for outside party. Na you the cost wan follow. Who dey go?
So there are many things wey we don't know wey happen for my party when I want make I know. Make everybody calm down. I want to know what's happening for my party because all through I was in the hall dancing. What things were going on? And with all due respect, I see the video when you say make I come and make the box say penalty for my party. I say I don't hear. Later as I enter live video, I see the.
You say me come out, me come talk say you not for your party. You say you don't hear.
The video when I back out today insults me for my own party. So when I call my godfather, we don't dey saga now, we don't dey quarrel, we go dey talk how it be. What did they vex me? I be that one. Me get many things when they vex me for my body. You are my godfather as you said, yes. I have been respecting you. I don't know you for more than I think since 2014. Now I don't know you. If after 10 years now, begin with the bone that time, don't grow breast. How you walk on my party when they insult me? As I see that video, now I call on my back say, I don't know if you do that video when I say make I do. I see about they insult me, wait till I do one. Is there anything on ground that person I know not be because he not fit do that kind of thing? I feel like why you will believe that kind of thing. Okay, arrest. Then you play the record say, I don't come across the box say they drag you they go. Say, you dey hear say, me they carry my body, they show for Frank. That was the way you came. I call that manipulation. You cannot manipulate me into this saga on ground. You cannot. Why will you send me a voice record that say, since I don't come across the book, say, they say you steal from my party, okay, now true say, when did they record, they don't say you hear say, I dey open my body for Frank. Now playing record in reply, you say, those people when they talk how they go fit come to see, they'll come across and swear, say they do that kind of thing, I say, well, forget about those kind of things.
Because say Vera not come out now, come talk say you don't go beg am for inside. Make come talk say you not for dance. And video camera dey. And you don't see and now say they don't play video waiting the fight for outside and you don't know before say you fight for your party because of rice. As you don't see the videos, that video where you say you know if you can't debunk am again. Now you can't put life for your head now say you dey naked. You dey show your kpekus to Prophet Atiti. I never see Vera, I go debunk am. If other people not fit debunk am, me go debunk am. I never see Vera kpekus I never see kpekus. But I don't put life for head o. Now the thief for Vera dance. They go thief rice. See me go. You know where I see me go mo and the mofi wo ka ice okay. You know where I see me go mo. You know where I see me go mo.
That's a me don't go your party, they come and drag me, they go. It has happened before in history. One man will be another thing. I go to your party, they go.
1 hour don't complete for the movie. Tomorrow we'll start from where we stop. So more go. Who's one want to go? More look the one who want to go. Who's one want to go?
All this one me they do now extra. Some of them because of social media. And because of what people will say, they will be there. That's why you'll see so.
Una see this one with the talk to now lap. Now be this one precious. Make una see lap. This one. Now you see come carry face come out for live video saying they fuck another man, another woman wife. See lap. Una see lap. Now they talk so. This one where they call Precious Meg. This Sandra Agbogu sister, a senior sister, Sandra Agbogu sister, 90 for there. 90 for top of Precious Meg. So, why the man where Precious Meg go borrow 10,000 for bank, married woman, no borrow and come give Atiti sister business. This boy one and the see so where they do for up there, night goes Usaro, that they call him Usaro Dana. He don't many women, 4 women now don't give Bele as a Moscow they do one for Spain before. as Moscow dey do am for Spain wey dey give all women belle, na so this Osaro dey be central wey dey operate, and dem dey waka no be ordinary body dey take waka with medicine. Mama e don fall for central hand 2 times. Mama na mama wey dey call himself mumu na mumu, e don fall for central ukwa, don do one central. The one wey come marry for 3 months for year for Spain here na central. 3 months now they marry that one. That's why they tell am make change paper of a house, make put in name. But we'll talk mama na mama, we'll play audio just now. We play this Osaro one narrator for now as it happen. Make una share the video, make it go viral. The person wey dey wan talk so, they pray make bad friends, make you no get bad friends wey dey scatter house. This precious make una dey see so na bad friend wey dey scatter house. Una go lis ten, one fit describe them for una. Precious men na wear white so wey dey for ground. Una see here, e be like pig, e leather. E be like pig. Una see am. This one, man, wey you wan carry this one, be careful. You know say some women dey wey dey carry snake kpekus dey waka, pig todo dey waka, uwenye dey carry dey waka. This one, uwenye muhia, uweledo muhia. Any man wey just sleep with am, enyobawa. Na so disgrace dey enter the man body. One cause dey tell you now, make una be careful. This one now, na friend to Sandra Agbogun senior sister wey dey call Efe. Wey dey call Efe. Na friend to Sandra Agbogun sister wey dey call Efe. This Efe, e dey for husband house. E dey for husband house, e don born 6. He with the husband. Yeah, where the guy he did for husband as this is Sandra Agbogun sister, so senior sister, he did for husband house. Now from party to party. Now you know not say precious men. Now so party. This party when they go so. Latest man in the society. He go when he just sleep with him. You know that man life not go light again. He not go light again. He not go light again. I tell you the truth. Mona be careful. Mona be careful. All these Edo women, Asian women waiting for this Edo, this Europe. Mona they be careful for their body. That they off my destiny. Your destiny. So my people, una good evening. Most of the naka. If you see all of them waiting for social media now, single mother. Some day with their husband don't dey for wheelchair, everything. They don't condemn they don't condemn man life. Man not be man again. This Osaro also waiting for us so he can't sleep with this Sandra Agbogun sister. This Sandra Agbogun sister and senior sister wey they call Efe. Although when he can't call Europe, he can't give you name, Ashawo name. The Ashawo name when he give himself. I don't feel they mention that one. The name we papa with the mama Gian. This and the Agbogun sister so Efe. He come married to one man where they come from. Uhi, you know where Uhi. If you not reach if you go Ishan side, if you reach you divert. The second village for them I be Uyi. Imagine the one man where they call Fred. They say they describe native doctor, they go describe the rich house. Nobody know the man village, but me they tell me like the man village. Now I know say I know these people well. I be not want talk put what he pay me for. I say I be not for talk where they say this man dey for hospital. Man when he dey work, not be today. He don't tell with this woman they do this thing. He don't tell what they do one. This is a fee. He don't make this woman try to drunk her for more than 5 years. man when you come meet, e life dey go smoothly, e dey work, e get paper. You come reach him house now, the man come give you paper, you come born 3 pikin. After 3 pikin, now you start to misbehave. I want to tell you my history. I don't want to go too deep. I don't want to talk and come out where everything dey for my plan. Everything dey for my plan. I think I dey surprised when I go ask them whether not be the village when I dey describe for us, so not be their village. When I go ask them, everything dey for my plan. He come there for this FA. Na Sandra Agbogu sister. Sandra Agbogu sister na be. This FA na evil woman like Precious Meg. This boy wey they call Sarah also na medicine they use. Medicine they catch woman. The woman when he born for her for house, wey dey with her for house, is okay. Na my own sister. Na my own sister. Una dey hear me so? As they talk so, it's okay. Be tolerate. It's okay. Be tolerate. Say it go change. Say it go change. It go change. He don't give 3 women belle before. Married women, single mother. Why you call this one single mother? But it's okay. This say it go change. As they talk so, it's okay. Don't the push one come up for your house. It's okay. Say the disgrace when he come give so say it too much. Say go to sleep with married woman. The who be married woman? FA. Fred wife when he come for we for after a year. He go to sleep with her, come give am belle. They can't take the man change to drunk as it's 5 years, because it's 3 years. Where they see where FA. Once I don't see the motor where this man they drive. You see the motor when he give you wife me the drive. Una the year he can't take put something for this woman body. When they did to do for her. You not use. I better go cover this thing come up for here. When you see the motor where this man they drive, since 4 years, he can't put something for take sleep with the FA. As he tells him to sleep with the FA, now so this man, they say no what they do again. The thing can't go for the man, but they can't walk. The man can't go to sleep. If the woman can't drive and come up for house, he can't go to sleep straight. He can't carry his own motor now. His own motor. You want to go by the things. You cover and no leave cover and I'll finish and later. Leave this one. Leave this one. I'll finish and just now if I finish video. You know, hear me so. Oh, Sarah, Fred now, he don't change to drug and as they talk now, he did for hospital, he sick. He did for hospital, he sick. Waiting this Sandra Agbogu sister do to this man. Upon the whole good way this man do for this FA. This man dey work before FA know am. This man dey do well before FA know am. They want deport this FA. Go ask. Now he run go meet this man. This man get paper. Now this man come marry am for Germany. Come marry am for house. He come give am paper. They come dey do well. After I don born Tiri, now he jump this Osaro. Since then when he jam this Osaro this, he even tell this FA, the house where this man build for Nigeria, may bring the paper, may they go do change of ownership. The luck where the man get, the paper of the house no deal with, he no dey for Europe, he deal with his senior brother for house. Now be luck where the man get. If not be only a bottle for sister carry, if for still carry the house. This Osaro now, Precious Meg don't go borrow 10,000 euro for bank when they pay today. Interest the for put for top. So I just more play the audio. More play the audio. They say they pray for this life, may you not first see. If you first see your friend, I go laugh you. If you see for this life, now your friend will laugh you. More listen to our friends. Where they get that they go dance. Precious Meg wey the woman wey dey get her go dance more lis ten to am.
By the time you see say they claim married women, but they are not happy inside their house, they'll come they put a panic for our body. They'll come they put a body for single ladies. They are this set of people. This is bad. So, when I heard about yesterday that they said the bar was mentioning my name and all that, and I called him, like this morning, when I told him, go and watch the video, I did not say anything bad about it. I said, okay, you are my daddy, no problem. So this morning, we spoke. Me and the partner, I called to say, I've seen the video, but sorry I accused you wrongly yesterday. I was not at home, but because I was receiving. I never knew that it was just the voice that you were playing, and I'm the one that gave you the go ahead to record it, so it's not a big deal. Now you're back on the tell me. Say, I saw some gang of people for social media. My sister, my brothers and sisters. This social media, you guys should be careful. When I hear some voice, people I don't even.
Na lie they tell you. You don't see Anna when they tell Sharon say he go talk say he go they tell people say if I fit on the street with Eddie Murphy. Na lie everything they waka. And nothing what they do for this social media wey not the concern Eddie Murphy na evil. Una don't see me now. If they do something for this social media, it have me before they mention my name put. Because I don't follow them, they do nonsense. I know the evil they give the chance, but not evil. Una see just now. Charo, Precious Meg, una see waiting they evolve for different evil. This man, Eddie Murphy Dausa, Ogun Baogen, is destroyer. You don't see the way they manipulate you now. He said that they talk your matter, people they bring your matter come. The way he talk for Charo now where they don't catch up waiting fries. He said he can't go tell people say he go tell people say from Victor they leak Bekus. They leak Charo Bekus and move they go.
Thing that I have issue with. They went to call it back. That a man should not let me come and be doing like surprise for his wife again. May not let me enter the place again. May not let me say that they come. They are ganging up to come and deal with me on social media. The power was just the fact say you get to leave Precious Meg alone. Precious Meg is a single woman. She can live her life the way she wants it. And they are ganging up. They are coming to come and deal with Precious Meg on social media. Now, so Precious Meg also try to do for you. They get the video just to provoke a part. I say, who are these people when I hear? To call a power, they say that gang up, jealousy, envy. Because they try to cope at the side, not clear, they're not sustained. Like they won't use a bar. Now a pastor to give me some peace. I hold my head. I say, Papa, I ever come and discuss these people to you? He say, no. He say, what he gets? Or Pakara? I say, good. My head must put disgrace. What did they go say? They take two Precious Men back. They will use and bring disgrace to themselves. Me, I do stunning surprise. I don't do stunning surprise. I cook for people. I don't cook for people. My salary not the shake. My salary is can't pay not the shake. All this one women they do now extra, just extra. Why the gang up? Why the jealousy? I know these people. All of them on my Facebook or my private Facebook, my mega friends. Now I go there outside. That's why it's good for girls to see life before they settle down. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. Because even our children will be say they never first see life. They never first see life at all. If you say they don't first see life, believe me, they don't go to the husband as they connect, they do this trash. network, please, lover, sometimes it's flagging. Lover like it, like it. Because I don't want maybe say, I'll come go marry, now I go the outside. That's why it's good for girl to see life before they settle down. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. Because these are not children where they say they never first see life.
Okay.
They never first see life at all. If you say they don't first see life, believe me, they don't go the husband house, they do this trash. No, network, please, lover, sometimes it's flagging. Lover like children where they say.
This one a friend where the go party now. This precious make this a face too. Sandra Agungu sister. Now 12 they waka the whole party. Where is dress do enter? Everybody now. Because 12 they drag the same man, he with they drag the same man. This Osaro also he give precious man go bury 10,000 euro for bank. Go give married man wey get woman for her house. He say Atiti no gallant. Atiti no dey go display for dance. If I want go display for dance with 1,000 euro, if I raise under my pillow with 1,000 euro, if I change a dollar, 500 if I change a dollar, I no dey for that 500 euro. If you go on one, you will take and buy land for one. You think I buy land for one. All one go change to Benin one day. It go change to town one day. It go change to town. You don't bring the money for me when I invest am for you. Woman, man, we don't give 5 women belle. Your friend now, go na to the girl the 12 una. Una the girl they do with your friend. Go na get the travel 7 hours Spain, Italy, married woman. You not talk to her at that time when they do all those things now. Where disgrace the entire body. Now you tell and say, married women where they disgrace themselves. Where they go? More than listen. More than listen. I they cut all of the commas small. Una go tire for all of una go tire. If una hear some kind words.
You say they never first see life. They never first see life at all. If you say they don't first see life, believe me, they don't go the husband house, they do this trash. No, network, please, lover, sometimes it's flagging. Lover like it, like it. Because I don't want maybe say, I'll come go marry, now I go the outside. That's why it's good for girl to see life before they settle down. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. Because even our children, where they say, they never first see life. They never first see life at all. If you say they don't first see life, believe me, they don't go the husband house, they do this trash. No, network, please, lover, sometimes it's flagging. Lover like this video, please. Who lover like? Sometimes maybe they are flagging it, it's not network, because I'm at home and I'm using the house Wi-Fi. Our house Wi-Fi is perfect. It's almost a 200 gig. I mean 1,000 gig. So, Mona Lisa, I need my help. Okay, you inbox me later. Okay? So that is for that. So, and this kind of people, now they bring shame and disrespect to their own family. Like the video I saw today that is.
My people, you know see this. Now person wey with her together go they go dance. So person wey with her go they go dance. Friend no, Asha will not be my friend though. Asha will not be my friend, not be woman friend. You know hear wetin dey say. People like this, they bring shame. And now he will press us make the travel go dance. The audio they are plan for now tomorrow. I don't feel plan this morning. Mona see evil acts. So Mona know una way the other tribes. As with the Benin people, they carry the shame. With the Benin people waiting for Europe, not the one waiting for us. As with the fame our shame. So Mona will be other tribe. Mona not the marry all those women again. When I know they marry all these women again, will they tell you now? No, the Igbo man will they tell you now? If you don't marry, you never put money for your head. Leave her. Me go marry a Igbo woman. No, they go. No, you will be the great one.
These one are children wey be say they never first see life. They never first see life at all. If you say they don't first see life, believe me, they don't go there husband as they do this trash. No, make our network, please. Lover, sometimes it's flagging. Lover like to check on the man. Like when she told me that the man was sick, he's in the hospital. There was when this Vera was doing party. I called her to the extent I thought she was not coming to that party.
This Vera, we do party so where the both go take food for there. Vera Ugbo. Now when if you do party, you do party. Fred, Sandra Agbogu's sister, senior sister, he husband dey for hospital. This thing don start, it's 4 years plus. This man don't know say this woman dey flex. He don't know. They ferry this man go hospital. He husband dey for hospital now because of say this boy dey go the dance Osaro. Osaro na dey control his house for am. Woman wey dey for husband house now. Another man waiting for outside, they control the house for her. My brothers and my sisters around the globe. Both my brothers, I want to talk to now my brothers where they marry for Europe. My brother where they marry for the Europe. Now another topic of another day be this. Wife wanna marry for us. If not be brother. Any man phone waiting for his side phone, ask him. If you be man, ask him waiting this man phone they do for his side phone. Like we will be presenter so. We know if you call the toast your wife. If we even jump married woman self, if you tell us say you get husband, we'll tell us say sorry, make this grace not come. Other ones, some presenter they toast another man wife who they collect another man wife who. For me, I cannot try because I'm a traditional man. I'm a native daughter. Another topic for another day. As we dey go now, the revelation enter my body. The revelation wey enter my body, they say when I tell men wey dey for outside, wey dey marry for Europe, both Nigeria and Europe. You marry, you know say the man not be relationship of your wife, not be family member. Delete it, no let them block the number for his iPhone. They say this man go dey Osaro go dey call am. Na brother, family brother na effective start am, family brother na effective start am. Small time. Because Osaro dey go dance, go dey find single mothers. Wey dey try. Not be only one, get one wey they call God's power. But that one mama called do Ashawo dey for UK now. When I run for them, now juju they take the waka. Where they go?
She still drove all the way from Bayan, more than 7 hours drive, and came to the party. And I was like, what about your husband? I say, he's in the hospital. I said, I will leave and drive to party. Because me, I've already changed my mind that I was going to use another cloth to the party I was going, because she was the one that helped me claim the cloth. Good evening, my darling Mrs.
You see her now. He can't disgrace your own friend now. Precious man can't disgrace your own friend. Where she say shame don't enter body. Precious man not talk this word since then. He not talk as since then. Because now in with F.A. Sadrago's sister, they drag this man from party to party. Now they drag her. Who go take and sleep for inside toilet? Who go take and sleep for hotel? And this if you don't know so Sarah they go the Vera dance. This now, you know what me precious men take and sleep for that hotel, for that village that night. Precious men now come tell us say, he see drive come, he surprise. Say he come because he don't want me precious. This will Sarah take precious men sleep for that dance. He leave your husband for hospital now. He leave your husband for hospital. Your husband is sick. He drive 7 hours go. If you want to come out for hospital, go come out around that kind 12 or 10 in the morning. He go reach that kind place around 4. He go sleep for hotel. Maybe in the next day they'll go the dance. They'll go close for dance around 12. He go come sleep. He not come out the other day. And the other following day, now they come. Now therefore that was Sarah motor. So Sarah carry motor go house. Ona igi motor no Sarah when no Sarah mo motor pa. Ekia. When una look the disgrace wey una precious men dey give a friend o, when una listen to the disgrace wey come here. He not talk this thing come out as a good Samaritan. Since then, say one of his friends, when we tell no say precious men na better person. Now when disgrace come enter the friend body na nana precious men come dey talk am. No ka pa bi buy all me fa. Mo listen. Ogadam yo.
I was. I remember when this man was in the hospital then, as a friend, I was always calling her to check on the man. Like when she told me that the man was sick, he's in the hospital. That was when this Veralco was doing party. I called her to the extent I thought she was not coming to that party. She still drove all the way from Payan, more than 7 hours drive, and came to the party. And I was like, what about your husband? I said, he's in the hospital. I said, I will leave and drive to party. Because me, I've already changed my mind that I was going to use another cloth to the party I was doing because she was the one that helped me claim the cloth. Good evening, my darling Mrs. Domosco, my darling sister. Looking for somebody to bring my clothes from Nigeria. That was.
Una know your shawo you call the name so. Una know your book wey dey mention name so. The central man wey dey for Spain, wey dey for Moscow. Now that one wife dey call name so. No be wife, another man wife. Now that one collect too. As Sarah dey collect another man wife so. Now so Moscow collect another man wife. But he want call her now he dey call her Mrs. Moscow. Now woman wey dey for husband house now Moscow collect too. Now he collect her for your husband house. They don't take the man trying to drunk her. This central boy so. Where Moscow carry joy so. We carry joy. Moscow waited for Madrid before he can't go that. We carry joy. He wife dey for husband house. As Moscow the friend are now, they can't take the man trying to drunk her. If you see the man today na drunk her, the way they take Usaro take take your husband trying to drunk her, where your husband dey for hospital today. You see the people they mention their name now. No, they go.
That was last year. So the party we went to in Castle, she was the one that played that floor. Somebody was coming to Germany from Nigeria. Then the person was going to Munich. Then she said, she told me she's the one that gave me the contact of the person. Then she said she would claim it and bring it to the party. Then she claimed the cloth was with her. Then in the process, the man was sick. I even removed my mind. Somebody where your husband the hospital, I go take come here, come party. But do you imagine that the woman still came? You're talking about it's that princess, maybe not the other one, maybe the man. Not be the man's fault. Not be the man's fault. Look at what what is you see them? I just a pity for the family of the husband.
If friend, precious men get faith, with the girl that will follow dance, with the girl that will sew cloth together now. Now they tell you now the secret now. Say no be the man fault. And the movie come out, it dey cause the man. It dey cause the man. This evil group, the any people wey dey follow the movie dey waka, as they take the do, so all of them are evil. This evil group. You see now, you know here where precious men wey the woman friend, wey be a friend. They tell you say no be the man fault, no be friend fault. Una hear am. I will have a big good bomb. We pray not to marry a bad woman to destroy our men. Let me pray away mothers go they pray. A bad woman, they destroy house. That's why I did for South Bible say a wise woman will repair, while the foolish women they will destroy their house because of in seconds. You see now see another way precious make the test not be the man fault. Who person fault now the woman? More listen.
Husband. I feel for the family of the husband because I have a brother, I have kids, I have boys. I will never pray for my boys to come across such woman in their life. No.
And I friend though. Now precious men with the girl that will go dance with the girl that will go party. Now they tell us now. See you have boys speaking, you have brother. You know, pray me they come across this kind of a friend. Friend where they get that they travel. They go party, they go everywhere.
No man, we know the shop shit. But me, as I did, so you I enjoy my life with them. Because I know one maybe say, hey, what? I be one, they like, it. Not the husband, no, maybe not the husband, it's the other one you're talking about. Mr. Princess, maybe not the other one, maybe the man. Not be the man fault. Not be the man fault. Look at what you see them. I just a pity for the family of the husband. I feel for the family of the husband because I have a brother, I have kids, I have boys. I will never pray for my boys to come across such woman in their life. No man, we know the shop shit. But me, as I did, so you are the.
Una hear am, mo go to mama na mama. Mo go to mama na mama. Mo put on wet. My people, na good evening. Mumu go call her come. How many hours we don't take? Mumu. Mumu. Usagwe. This is your story, Krika. This is your story, Krika. Mo kota mo come back.